If the measure is passed, then the university libraries has 4 programs that we've submitted, and they're all geared around how to improve the student experience using the library. And they do respond to some of the problems we've had in the past, as well as some of the suggestions we've received from the students. You've mentioned the 24-hour study room. The 24-hour study room was built about 20 years ago, and at that time students studied a little bit differently. They anticipated that people would just go in there for a few hours and leave. And the restroom was fairly expensive, so it wasn't put in. But over time, student lifestyles and student study styles have changed, and now students work around the clock. And when the library shuts down, they go into the 24-hour study room to complete their project. And we've had numerous requests from students, please expand it, please have some different study facilities in there, please add some whiteboards. And if this measure is passed, that would be one of the enhancements for students, in addition also adding the long-needed bathroom.